Hi, this video will be for true beginners, and this is really basic thing, yes, basic thing about sanding and about sandpaper and sandpaper tools especially. Because a few days ago I saw one of my friend RC modeler who just destroyed his new model from balsa wood with piece of sandpaper, and sharp edge of this sandpaper make really big scratches on fuselage of this balsa wood. I saw it and I say, oh my god, why you don't use some sandpaper tools, yes, or tools for sanding. I prefer this sandpaper. This is sandpaper for machine, for hand tool, for electrical hand tool, for sanding. These sandpapers are really strong, must be because are on powerful electrical tool, are really strong, and this is really long duration just sandpaper, of course with different numbers, and you can buy them in some hobby shop without any problems. Of course you can use normal sheets of sandpaper but I can recommend you these sandpapers are really super strong. I use them on similar tools. I make these tools for sanding. Again, no rocket science, simply think. But for someone maybe it could be helpful. This is just foam, just some hard foam. Just cut right size, sand radius on edges, and put this sandpaper directly on this piece of foam. Secure it with the glue, just some foam safe glue. This is not important. For example, this tool I have for, I don't know, 10 years, maybe more, and I use it really often because this is sandpaper for sanding of metal. So balsa wood or plywood or PLA on 3D printed models is really not challenge for sanding paper for sanding of metal. Or similar, again, many years I have this. This is from a longer piece of sandpaper, again for machine sanding. I don't know right English word, but I think you will understand me. Or you can buy some tools, hand tools for sanding in shop, but again I prefer my custom in size what I want, and if I lost it I will make new in 10 minutes, maybe 10 minutes with one coffee. Sometime you need a specific sanding tool with specific shape, so make it. Yes, for example, I make this small sanding tool for some radius, inner radius, or this is a small tool for sanding somewhere inside a hole. I don't remember for which model I make this. I don't know. If I need it, I make it, and I lost it later. But I am big friend of 3D printing, 3D print. So I make, actually yesterday I make this small tools for sanding for my new Livesteam boat, for sanding of Livesteam boat, 3D printed Livesteam boat. So I make tools directly for my need. I will glue on this side. This is flat side, and I will glue it in one case directly on this, but on other side with one layer of soft foam. Yes, this tool is with radius. I will show later, and this is for inner radius. And this tool will be sharp corner, sharp edge for sanding just where I need this sharp edge, sharp corner. Really easy. I draw it in 3D, I don't know, 5 minutes, maybe less, and print was 1 hour. Yes, and if lost it, I will just make new again. Of course you can make similar things from wood, or I don't know, from foam, but 3D print is really easy to use. So for example, this is part of fuselage of my new 3D printed live steamboat. So for flat surfaces I will use this. For inner radius, like here, I will use this. For outer radius, I will use this. Yes, because if you this radius will sanding with flat hard sandpaper tool, you will probably make a flat places which we don't want. So for this I need this tool with radius, and this small sharp I will use here. Sandpaper will be here, and I will make this sharp corner, and from outside to here. Again, no rocket science, really easy thing. If you are RC modeler with some experiences, you probably will tell me, why you tell me this basic thing, this know everyone. No, everyone not. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.